Freezer room is that for the bodies.
Cadavers. So all the wires are terminated here, but these kind of phone. Well, you can even phone. There's a data room.
Okay, one on each floor.
Yeah, one on each floor. And then,
That's a data?
yeah. Even though this is semi.
Yeah.
So this is not recommended for storing boxes as you see here, but the 5-stock. 5-stock. So this is one of the pumps that she was telling you about. So this is a jockey pump.
That's a foam insulator on the back.
Louis, what call these pumps again?
Yeah, it's
The jockey pump, the distribution. So it's a booster pump really. So it helps to boost the water for the floor. Yeah. And then you have small injection.
Is that foam
Is the
or?
injection pump still alive?
Yeah, man. Come again?
Injection pump still alive?
What's the injector? It's installation, you know. So they come with the injector.
So each chip, they have a little pump that helps to pump the water.
So it comes in a curve.
Instead of a valve.
So you don't backflow.
So it just helps the water. So they don't have an air handling unit. Each.
But you need to spray down.
Right, yeah, no.
Is the ceiling height different? So you see those long
Yeah, this one is
metal
different.
things?
Yeah, this one is lower.
Those are for children.
I think this one is probably 10 feet.
So
So
no
from
water
that is 12 feet.
So this area is cooled by these chickens and then actually
So the type of light also
LED?
at the time, no. So at the time this was still is energy efficient, but it's just that you have LED technology that came in after. So if LED was in that time, I know all of this would be LED. Well, LED was new at the time, so that's why these are LED, but those are T5.
those are the things there.
Yes, T5. So also, as I said, when they're designing services, right, for those lights, you notice there's a glass shield over it because of what they're doing there.
Yes.
So you don't want germs and stuff getting up into the light. So you have a shield there that can be easily cleaned, and the ceiling is metal, not acoustic tiles. Those are metal. Your number changed? Oh, you still have the same number from that time?
There was no WhatsApp, they hacked me yesterday.
Yeah, man, no problem. So the it's helpful. It has to be, don't it? Because a European certificate, right?